Hey there, welcome back to Clever Mom. Are you ready to cook up a storm in your kitchen? Well, we've got just the thing for you. The COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven 26.4 Quart. It's got not one, not two, but 12 functions for air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, and so much more. Now let's talk about the capacity. This air fryer has a 26 quart, 25 liter capacity with 2-layer even cooking. You can fit up to 6 slices of bread, a 20-inch pizza, or even a 5 pounds whole chicken in it. Plus, with 6 heated lemons, a 2-speed fan, and temperatures up to 450 Fahrenheit, you can cook up to 30% faster than a traditional convection oven. But wait, there's more. You can cook smarter with the VC app. All you have to do is pick up your smartphone and tap the app to make meals at the touch of a button. And if you're feeling extra lazy, you can even connect it to your Amazon, Alexa, or Google Assistant for hands-free control of your toast oven. Now let's talk about what's included. You will get a wine rack, a food tray, and a fry basket, plus a user manual and recipe book with 30 chef-made recipes. There's still more. This air fryer oven is easy to clean with an external removable crown tray that prevents the backflow of soup from dirtying the bottom. But here's the catch. To access my sink, you will need a 2.5 GHz Wi-Fi network, and the product can only be used with a voltage of 120 voltage AC, 60 Hz, which only applies to the US and Canada. But hey, that's a small price to pay for all the amazing features this air fryer oven has to offer. And the best part, it's priced at around $149. That's right, you can get all of these under $150. That's it for today's video, and I hope you will like and enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.